Hello guys, and welcome to H1Z Forex price action. Today is 23rd February 2022, and then we are reviewing the Aussie dollar. To review the Aussie dollar and not be caught out in any moves, you have to first of all understand what's happening with the dollar index and also what's happening on gold. All right, so to do this, let's jump to the chart and see what's happening with price action and where we're likely going to head next so that we can bag some pips. And also remember that on this channel we trade forex and also invest in cryptocurrency. So if you want to be part of this community, subscribe to this channel and also join our Telegram in the link in the description. Now let's get to the chart and see what's happening. Looking at the dollar index weekly chart, we can see that not much is happening. We've been ranging for the past weeks now, in fact since November last year 2021. So then any move on the Aussie versus the dollar will depend on whether Aussie is strong or weak at the moment. All right, now another fundamental factor that influences the Aussie's price is gold. So let's take a look at gold. So looking at the current gold price action, it just bumped into a supply zone. And now whatever is going to happen next will depend on whether there's going to be a rejection or the price is just going to break through the zone through to the upside. Now if we see a rejection in this zone, then it means we are going to head back down because this is already a strong supply zone. All right, so now let's take a chill pill and see what's going to happen on this chart within this week, whether we're going to get a rejection or we are going to get a breakthrough this region. Now, how is this influencing the Aussie? So once gold is on an uptrend, we will not be surprised to see Aussie making uptrend because the Australian economy is heavily dependent on gold. So once gold is making gains, the Aussie is also making gains. So let's see what's happening on the Aussie chart. Yes, so as you can see, Aussie is also making gains in the past 4 weeks as gold was doing. Now, Aussie has also come up into a supply zone. So it means it's a crucial region to be looking at and see if we can make some decisions here. All right. So on this weekly chart, we are very bullish. So what are we going to do next? Now, let's filter down onto the smaller time frames and see what decisions we can make on these pair. All right, so taking a look at the daily chart, yes, we're coming strongly into the supply zone. And aside this area, there's another area sitting at the top, which is a bearish order block region that we'll be looking at. So either price is going to play around this area and give us some beautiful price action and start melting to the downside, or it's going to come up. Price can continue up here before we see any significant move to the downside. So it's two things. We are going to keep an eye on what price is going to do here, and then I will update you once we are about to make a move or once we make a move on this. So I'm expecting to take some sells. However, if the price turns backward back to retest this zone, yes, then we will. So let's say price doesn't give us an entry but just starts melting down into this region, then another buy will do. We're going to take another buy and ride with a trend. So right now we are just in between our sell zone and then a buy zone, and then once the price confirms, so this is better. So once the price gives us what we want to see, then we are going to make a decision. So I'm going to call out this trade right here on this channel. So please, throughout this year 2022, I'm going to share with you every trade that I'm going to take in video, explaining it into details like this on this channel. So please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Give this video a like if you want to see more content like this, and also leave a comment on what you think about Aussie dollar going to do next. All right, and then see you in the next video.